Hello, I'm Chan.
My name is Kai. So today we'll be teaching you how to use the Whiteboard app in our smartboard. First, I want to show you guys about the layout. And here we got 3 menus. First, we got the pagination, and the middle one we got the pen functions, and the last one we got the additional function settings.
When you open the menu, you can see several functions available, and we will start from the top. For the first function, we have split screen writing. It separates the whiteboard into 2, and she got her own menu and my own menu. I cannot go past this line, it just stops me, and when I delete my own side, it won't affect hers.
So for the second function, we got dual color writing function. Chan, please turn it on. So with this pen, we got the front side and the back side. So now I will choose white color for front side and red color for back side. So now we can use 2 color with 1 pen.
As for the third function, we have 2 finger zooming. When I turn it on, I can just zoom in with 2 fingers and zoom out if I want.
So the fourth one, we got multitask writing function. And if you don't turn it on, it will only allow 1 pen to write at the same time. And if you turn on the function, it will allow multiple pens to write at the same time. And not only pens.
For the 5th and 6th function, we have text recognition and shape recognition. For the text recognition, when I turn it on, the board will try to detect what I write and convert it to a better looking text. Same goes to the shape recognition. It will convert whatever shape I make and make it into a better looking shape.
So for the 7th function, I will be sharing about the menu position. So by default, we got our pagination on the right side, and we got our additional function setting on the left side. So once you turn on, and both will switch. So last but not least, we got our background function. So you can choose whatever background color you want here. So for example, green color. And we also got underpainting here, so you can choose whatever underpainting you like here.
As for the pen menu, you can choose the thickness of the line and the color you want. Here, there's an eraser function. There's 2. You can erase it or select where you want to erase. Next, we got this select function. You can select this part and move it around.
So beside this, we also got more tools. So starting from insert picture, we can choose from photos, and we can insert multiple pictures. And you can rotate if you want. So afterwards, we also can insert videos.
Next up, we got this tool browser. It opens up a Google window on the right side, and you can search whatever you want. And next, you can go to picture, and maybe if you want this part, you can crop this out and paste it inside the whiteboard.
So we also got the shape tools, and can choose whatever shapes you want among 2D and 3D. So for example,
next up, I have these 2, ruler and compass. I choose the compass, I choose the radius, and I can draw a perfect circle.
so now moving on to the table tools, and you can create your own table here. And you also can add or delete the rows and columns by pressing the plus and minus button based on direction. And if you don't want to create the table yourself, you also can turn on the shape recognition, and you can draw your own table here.
Besides that, you also got this flow chart too, where you can create as many flow charts as you want, like this for example. And we have this tactic board. You can discuss your strategies before game and save it.
Sorry, Chan has been fired, so I'll be taking his place for now. We have the notes tool. You can double tap and write whatever text you want or notes. You can move it around a bit, and then you can also change the color, duplicate it as much as you want, and have as many notes as you want.
So in the last panel, we got 4 tools. The first one is stopwatch, and the second one is countdown. Stopwatch, you can start and pause. The countdown, you can just set the timer. Both are used for measuring time.
As for the last two tools, we have the voting machine, where you can select any amount and generate a QR code for anyone to scan and join the voting. And then next, the last one is just a simple calculator, as it works as is normal. And last but not least, at the top right is the pin function, where you have the shortcut of some of the tools right there.
So at the pagination here, you can add page and manage all your page here.
Alright, that's all from us. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us from VSH.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.